The pencil's journey. Once upon a time, in a small shop, an old man made a new pencil. The pencil was smooth and strong. It was ready for its journey. Before putting it in a box, the old man picked it up and said, "You are a special pencil. But before you go, remember 5 important things. First," said the old man, "you can do great things, but you need help." The pencil listened carefully. A pencil alone cannot write. In the right hands, you can create beautiful stories. The pencil felt happy. It wanted to be useful. Second, the old man continued, "Sometimes, you will feel pain when you are sharpened. But do not be afraid. It makes you better. It helps you write clearly." The pencil felt a little scared. It did not like pain. Third, the old man smiled. "You will make mistakes, but don't worry. You have an eraser. You can fix your mistakes and try again." The pencil felt better. Fourth, said the old man, "your most important part is inside you. Your lead makes you special. What is inside is more important than how you look." The pencil felt proud. And last, said the old man, "Leave a good mark wherever you go. Write stories. Help others. Never stop writing." The pencil promised to remember these lessons. Then, the old man put it in a box with other pencils. The pencil did not know where it was going, but it was ready for its journey. It traveled to a school. A little boy picked it up and wrote his first words. The pencil smiled. It was doing what it was made to do. And just like the pencil in life, remember, we need others to help us. Hard times make us stronger. Mistakes can be corrected. Our true value is inside. Leave a good mark in the world. Thank you for listening. If you liked this story, don't forget to subscribe.